Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. I'd like to share my watercolor travel kit today. It's built around a few key rules. One, it's got to be self-contained so nothing's floating around in my bag, and it has to fit in my bag, so it's got to be compact. I want it to be durable so I don't have to worry about damaging anything, but also comprehensive and flexible so that I'm not compromising on the items I use and it can evolve as I do. And finally, I need it to be fast so it can set up and break down very quickly. The container's everything. It stores all my components, snaps shut securely, and protects everything inside. The rubber bumpers keep it stable, and two small dowels allow it to paint at an angle, which is my preferred way. In the inside front pouch is a 6-inch paper ruler and some circle stencils. I have highly absorbent napkins, a roll of masking tape, and a silicone water well. It's actually the lid from a woodworking glue pot that's grippy, holds brush, and carries plenty of water. I have a black wing pencil sharpener to hold the shavings so that there's no mess, and for water I carry a variety of different little containers and rotate my water as I go. My mixing tray is a porcelain soap dish, and inside my pencil case I have two brushes. They are silver black velvet travel brushes. I mostly use a size 8 and sometimes a 6 for details. I have a number 2 and roughly an equivalent of a 6B pencil and a water soluble version of that as well. I have a non-photographing blue pencil and then a small eraser trimmed to fit and a blending stump and a jelly roll pen. My paints live in the portable painter, but I don't have the water cups or clips so that it fits inside my container. It's got a nice mix of space for colors and mixing space, and I have a small swatch card that I use as well. I use Faber Castell Pitt pens, and then you can see that I have a variety of paper here in a bunch of different aspect ratios based on what it is that I feel like I'm painting. I'll often reuse the backs of other pieces that didn't work out. You can see them here in a sheet of folded paper. And then finally you can see the supports from another angle here. I use these to set up my palette on the top and bottom, and the tape just holds them in place. I like to paint at an angle. I know that some folks paint flat. You don't have to use the supports as far as I'm concerned. Here you can see a quick time lapse of me setting everything back into the kit, as well as the fact that you can do an alternate version where you don't have separate sheets of paper. It's a sketchbook. You just have to remove some of the items. I typically paint with the loose sheets. Here's me fitting it into a book bag, nice and easy, plenty of room for a book and a laptop as well. And then of course I have a tiny version. And so that's it. Hope you enjoy, and let me know if you would like to see the items that are in here in any more depth or have any questions. Toss them in the comments. Thanks for watching.